Good afternoon, second grade, and welcome to another exciting episode of Main Lesson Book Drawing and Writing for the King of Ireland's Son. Yesterday we drew this scene in our books. The scene where the King of Ireland's son is playing cards with the enchanter of the Black Backlands. Only at that time he didn't know it was the enchanter. He had been tricked. But there he is with his hawk on his wrist, and his hound, and his steady steed with him. And there's the enchanter of the Black Backlands, disguised as an old man playing cards. Now, on the next page, we are going to write the words in our book that will describe in words what this scene is about. And here they are. Read along with me. Cards. The prince. Played. Played? What is played? When we want to write played, or stayed, or weighed, or watched, we put an ed at the end, and that tells us that that was something we did in the past. So let's try this again. Cards. The prince played, period, as the animals stayed and watched as he weighed what to ask for, period. What do I have between each word? I have a star between each word. What does the star tell us? You are right. The star tells us that that is a new word. So you can use your spacer stars, or you can use two finger spaces. We just need to make sure we put in something so our words don't all run together and get jumbled up. Are all of my words where they should be on the line? I think they are. My T is reaching to the top. My H is reaching to the top, but my E is staying where he should be. My P in prince is digging down below the line. My P in played is digging below the line, but my L is going from stars to stones. Join along with me as we write. In my book, I have made my lines, just like we do in class. I've used a lemon yellow block crayon, and I've used the full long Papa Bear side to make my beautiful writing lines, left to right. And I've used my purple block crayon, which matches our border nicely, to make a little bitty baby bear line going across. I'm sorry, not baby bear, mama bear. Baby bear is the little tip. Mama bear is the medium tip. And Papa bear is this full, long side. So I've used mama bear to make the lines that go between my writing lines. This way I will know where my letters begin and where they end on my page. So our first word, we're going to start with a uppercase or capital letter. And our first word is C. I'm going to use red, but you could use purple, you could use blue, you could use any color except for yellow because we wouldn't be able to see it. And You could use orange. That would show up too. But I think it would be lovely if you used purple, red, pink, or blue. I'm going to use my red today. I'm going to start at the top, make my nice curve around for C, car, beep beep, cards. Oh, my my D is reaching all the way up to the sky, just like it should be. Cards, star, cards, the, prince, what comes next? You got it, a star. Cards, the prince, played, cards, the prince played. As the forgot my spacer star. As the animals stayed and watched. All right, second grade, I've gone ahead and finished. Here we are, our final copy. Cards, the prince played. As the animals stayed and watched as he weighed what to ask for. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing your main lesson books.